Hello, we all work hard every month, right? Expect a fat paycheck, but then bam, the numbers don't add up in our salary slip. Where did all my money go? That's all you feel, right? Today, let's go decode that salary slip for you so you finally know who's taking a bite out of your paycheck and how to make the most of it. Your salary slip is like a reality check, what you thought you earned versus what actually lands up in your bank account. The major sections, however, include the earnings, which is the gross salary you earn every month, and deductions is the entire deductions from your salary. The deductions include your income taxes, deducted TDS, your PPF, EPF contributions, and any home loan EMI repayments if you've kind of declared to your employer. So what's included in earnings? The happy zone for all of us, basic salary, which is the fixed pay, and this is generally the bread and butter of the salary slip, almost 50 to 60% of your total compensation. Then there is another component called house rent allowance. Uh, because landlords don't accept smiles as rent, right? The next is dearness allowance, a little extra to keep up with the inflation these days. Medical allowance, because the doctor visits don't come free at all. Any other allowances, special allowances, bonuses, etc. These are all included in the earnings part of your salary slip. Now the painful heartbreak section. Provident fund, 12% of your salary goes here. The future you, and an equal amount is contributed by your employer as well. Professional tax, a tiny amount some states love to collect. Income tax, that is the TDS you have to pay on your earnings. While you may think this is charity for the nation, but it is of course a very important component to help nation building process. Last but not the least is insurance, because life loves EMIs, right? How to use your salary slip smartly? Number one is check your PF contributions. Make sure your employer isn't skipping on the savings, and remember to check that every month. Maximize your tax benefits. Utilize HRA, do proper planning so that you can save a lot of money in taxes. Speak to your HR to see if it is possible to restructure your salary components, because many companies offer things like subscription to magazines, your any other student membership allowance, or a telephone, internet, data allowance, etc. So restructure your salary component so that you ensure a better take-home pay. So the conclusion, don't just look at the final number of your salary. Please read and understand all the components of the salary slip. A little planning today may mean more money in your pocket tomorrow. Financial literacy starts with understanding your earnings. Hence, it is very important to build wealth step by step. Thank you for watching Pocket Power. Please like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Thank you.